Myself, Bharati Ashwini. I will teach you the subject statistics. In this subject, we learn two papers. So, first paper is descriptive statistics and second paper is mathematical statistics. So, first paper in first paper we learn 4 units. The first paper is descriptive statistics. We learn 4 units: Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. The Unit 1 is data condensation and presentation of data. Unit 2, descriptive statistics. Unit 3, movement skewness and kurtosis. Unit 4, theory of attributes. So we discuss the Unit 1, data condensation and presentation of data. First, introduction. Statistics is derived from the Latin word status or the German word statistics or the Italian word statistica. All these mean a political state. Definition of statistics. Statistics is a branch of science which deals with collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Then, use of statistics. First use, statistical method enable to condense the data and facilitates several functions apart from summarization. Second is the statistical method gives tools of comparison. Third one is the statistical method helps in planning, controlling and decision making. Last one is the interrelation between two or more variables can be measured. Next is the importance of statistics. Statistics plays an vital role in every field of human activity. Some important fields in which statistics is commonly applied. These fields are: first field is statistics in planning, second is the statistics and economics, third is the statistics and business, fourth is the statistics and industry, fifth is the statistics and mathematics, sixth is the statistics and medical science, and last is the statistics and research. Then next, scope of statistics. The scope of statistics also includes the area of research. Any kind of research work is complete without the use of statistics. Next, statistics in computer science. Statistics plays an intrinsic role in computer science. Statistics is used for data mining, speech recognition, vision and image analysis, data compression, artificial intelligence. Next is the etc. Next is the statistics in biology. Basic statistical concepts help biologists correctly prepare experiments, verify conclusions, and properly interpret results. Next is the statistics helps in economics. Statistical tools and different techniques of data analysis are very useful in solving economic problems. Next is the limitation of statistics. Limitation of statistics. First limitation is statistics does not deal with isolated measurement. Second limitation, statistics deal with only quantitative characters. Third is the statistical methods are best applicable on quantitative data. Fourth is the statistical cannot be applied to heterogeneous data. Next is the types of data. So, types of data. There are two types of data. First is primary data and second is secondary data. First, primary data. Definition of primary data: information that is collected directly or first hand is called as primary data. Example, data collected by you through survey. Second is the secondary data. Definition of secondary data is information is not collected first hand. It's called as secondary data. Example is the data from a newspaper to a school. Thank you.